Hi, Talo Falama, Namaste. I'm Anjeannette, Sanele. This is my husband, my suitable helper, Puli Sanet. And we're from the island of Samoa. First and foremost, we thank God. I thank God for giving me a second chance. I thank God for giving me life and all the wonderful things that He has done ever since I got here in India. Thank and acknowledge the help and the support from the government of Samoa, who initiated everything for me to be here. A great opportunity for me, and I am very grateful and blessed at the same time. Also, I would like to express my heart of thanksgiving to the Vice President, Radhe Mohan. Thank you so much for your wonderful service and your team from day one up till now. Thank you so much for everything. I've experienced nothing but love and care. And I also would like to take this time thank Dr. Sanjeev and his wonderful team. Also the group of doctors and nurses, the housekeepers, the kitchen crew, like everyone, all the workers and the helpers that have been helping me since day one. Thank you so much. There's not enough words to express how grateful and blessed I am, along with my husband and my 6 children back home. And we're so looking forward to go back. Strong and in the in recovery process, slowly but sure, because God is helping me through everything and He guided me through everything. Thank you. And God bless.